Okay, hi YouTube. This video I'm making is going to be a comparison between both of the two boats I have, tin toy boats, putt-putt boats, and I'm going to compare them both together because I bought these at around the same time on eBay, and if you'd like to buy them, they're from eBay. It's very easy to find on there. You just look up pop-up boats or tin pop-up boats, and most likely you'll find both of them. They don't have really names, but this company, I believe it's something like Tin Toy Maker or Tin Toy Boat Maker. So if you look around that on the after looking up general search of pop-up boats, you'll find this. And this boat's actually named is called Smokey. I remember that Smokey. That's a tugboat. Looks just like this. You'll find it. It's easy. This one is also on there too, and this doesn't have a name, but this is what it looks like. And the side of the bow it has, and underneath it has the water line and the decal of water splashing on the front. And the top just looks like this. You'll find it. It's got the life raft and the speedometers on this side. And it's got the rudder on the back, which I didn't know, which is kind of cool. So this comparison I'm going to show you about the good side and the bad side of these if you're looking to buy them, because I didn't do much research into it. They're cheap, so I just bought them. But here's the thing about them. If you're just looking to buy one, I'll try to help you find the right one. I'll just show you the good side of it. We'll start out with the tugboat. This one, I like it because, one, it has more ventilation. It's got all these windows, the ports on the bow, for the captain's room, and lets a lot of hot air out. It's got the smokestack, and it's positioned right above the end of the boiler inside. And to get a better look at it, I've never had a model that did this, but it's very clever. Is you take a hold of it and just slide it right up along the front of the boat, and it exposes the very simple yet effective engine. Not even an engine, it's just I guess a boiler, what you want to call it. The two out pipes that go out the side, the stern of the boat. This is just red because it's paint. I think the initial color of the tin is green, but since the bow, I guess they're just they think that you're just going to use the since you have the cover on it, you won't see the green color. You just see the paint that you selected for your boat, and then just underneath is green, and you see the boiler in here. This is all soldered together, not like the other one, so that's kind of good. It keeps more water out and less leakage, and probably longer lasting. I've only had it for a couple weeks now, so I haven't seen any leakage or anything, so that's cool. This boat was $8 compared to the other one was $5, so that's a little more expensive. It's all right quality. What else? Yeah, like I said, everything's soldered on there. The other thing is the pipes for the output pipes. They're not positioned straight like I'll show you with the other one. They're positioned straight, which means that for this one, this is the handmade. It looks handmade. I think it's a soda can, because if you look in the back, there's got paint, and it looks like some kind of soda can that they just stripped down and made a little, looks like a spoon, and they have the candle pieces you can put in there. They fit right in when you buy the set of candles. It comes with the boat, and just really thin metal. Actually, you can bend it very easily, so you gotta be careful with it. So that just sits under there. The top goes on, and you just position it on those two pipes just right under the boiler. And you know, if it hits something, it has the tendency to move around a little in there. So that I don't really like about this boat. That's one of the bad sides, but I like this boat very much anyways. Now with the other one is this one, the pipes are aligned straight with down the hull of the boat. So that means that I didn't realize when I was unboxing this boat, I didn't realize that I put the tray in here yet for the candle, is that it fits right on the it slides right perfectly on those two pipes, which is cool. So that means you can have the candle, which you can't hardly, yeah, there it is, the white part there. The candle, I just melted the end on, stuck it on there so it sticks well in the tin plate. And basically what you can do is just get the lighter or match or whatever, light it in here, and just easily just slide it right up it, and it goes right under the boiler, and it fits right in there. It doesn't click or anything, but it's better if I could shake it right now. It's not going to move. It'll just go probably a little up and down, but won't slide sideways, which is cool. So that's good. Another thing is actually a bad thing is the boiler comes right up to the edge of here, right up to this control center or whatever, where you have the speedometer and the RPM meter and all the other gauges, the dashboard, I guess. So that means if the boiler is up to it, the flame is going to be rather near this little painted area, and the flame can sometimes come up to the edge here, and that'll start burning paint off. And I just had this for a day now, and you can see that it's starting to get a little black around the edges, and that could cause start paint chipping there, which is not nice. But that's just the design of the boat. I can't do anything about it. This cover does not come off. It is sealed around the edges. Probably, since it's up along the edges here, you probably won't get water splashing in, which is good. Water splashing in can cause the candle maybe to shake around, and if that shakes around and you get wax in the boat, that just makes a mess. And the first boat, I remember there's wax all over it when I was little, so that wasn't good. It makes the boat a lot heavier. Wax is heavy, so if you get a lot of in there, especially if you use tea candles, which I had with another boat. I made a boat, a pop-up boat. I'll show it to you sometime when I just took the motor out of the original boat I made it in, and I put it in a little boat I made that's supposed to last a little longer, but I'm trying to get it to run perfectly, and once that happens, I'll put it on YouTube too. But this boat, it's just what was I saying? Yeah, so this candle is now I can't remember what I was saying. So yeah, anyways, this is alright boat. It's made in China. This one, the tugboat, is made in India. I think maybe it's a little closer to where I am, so that's why the one came from India came a little quicker. Yeah, so this tin thing is all sturdy. It does not come apart. No parts come off. And a good thing about it is the rudder, which the tugboat does not have. That means that you can position it into corners or turns. If you have a bathtub and you want it just to circle around, you can turn the rudder, and it won't make might not work 100%, but it will help definitely. And weight comparison, I think that actually the tugboat, yeah, the tugboat I think is a little lighter. This one's a little heavier. It doesn't make much of a difference. The bow is a little bit lower on the speedboat rather than the tin boat, and this so-called speedboat is actually getting outrun by the tugboat. The tugboat is actually much faster. The bow is very thin. I mean, the hull is very close to the waterline, so in other words, if you put too much weight in there or something, the water can come over the edges, which is not a problem, just the candles are lightweight. But those won't have much weight to be in it for the thing to sink. This one has a higher wall, so it can hold more weight. That's about it. So thanks for watching.